Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share my favorite mascara for my no makeup look. I love this Maybelline New York Colossal Mascara. I get the black in the washable. Look at that brush. It's a mega brush, so it's going to achieve 9 times the volume with just one sweep. I love to just use it when I'm on the go and I want to run out the door, maybe to the gym. I'll just use one coat just for kind of a more natural look. It takes my lashes from just invisible to just how I want them to look. But if I'm going for a little more glam look, then I will definitely just add another coat. Either way, I love this very collagen infused, rich, creamy mascara. Feels great on my eyes. Love the look that it achieves every time. So you can see that's one eye with and one eye without. I just love that this mascara gives just a nice kind of full natural look. So when I'm headed out to the gym or just to run some errands and I want that no makeup look, this is definitely my go-to mascara. I love that it takes my lashes from invisible to just perfect, and that's my point of view.